Hi, Greg Messer here from Fixed Price Granny Flats. I showed you a video of this. We're actually doing a granny flat in Seaforth, and we've also renovated the existing house, turning it from a 2-bedroom cottage to a 3-bedroom cottage. So we'll have a quick look at the final product. So this was the old kitchen. You can look at the other video on the internet just before this one. So we've basically put a middle wall in over here and turned this into 2 separate bedrooms. We can have a quick look in here. 2 medium-sized bedrooms. We've done that for the client. Sorry. Have a look. Come out here. So brand new polyurethane kitchen with stone bench tops, all fitted out, just been cleaned. I'll show you up here in the bathroom. So we renovated the old bathroom, which was 50 or 60 years old, quite an old bathroom. Obviously, look at the work in there, floor to ceiling tiles, nice inclusions, nice tapware. We're using Icon tapware now with a 15-year guarantee. Quite good. And we'll come into the master bedroom. So this is the main bedroom, and if you look at the video before and after, it's quite a big difference. We've done the built-in wardrobes. Once again, not cheap wardrobes, we'll give you a good set of drawers, hanging space and shelving. This is now ready to hand over. So the client's done this as an investment in Seaforth, and the return for the granny front of the house is very, very high. Quite a great return and a good outcome for the client. Thank you.